In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your fishing license in UK. Start by visiting the official gov.uk website. Then next is simply use the search bar and just type in fishing license. Then of course click on it. Now here you can see search results of links. So simply click on buy a rod fishing license. This is the official page where all anglers in England and Wales must get their license. Next is start by choosing your license type. You can click on Types of Licenses and Rod Limits link, and here you can see types of licenses and rod limits. There are licenses for trout and coarse fish and for salmon and sea trout. You can also pick how long you want it for. It could be for a day or 8 days or 12 months. And once you're ready to buy your fishing license, just click on this link. Here you can also see the fees that you need to prepare depending on the license type and longevity of the license. And if you're ready to purchase, click on Get License. Now from here, just follow all the on-screen prompts and answer the questions being asked. Basically, fill in your details such as name, address, and date of birth. You don't need an account, just enter your info and choose your license. At the end, you have to pay securely using a debit or credit card, and prices may vary. Kids under 13 are free, and for ages 13 to 16 years old, they must register but still fish for free, and adults pay the standard license fee depending on the license type. Once complete, you'll then receive a digital license instantly by email. You don't need a paper copy, just keep the confirmation on your phone. Remember, a rod license is required before you fish anywhere in England or Wales. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!